Welcome to the top best. The best dryer sheets is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in our laundry routine, transforming a mundane chore into an opportunity for freshness and fabric care. These thin sheets, infused with softening agents, anti-static ingredients, and captivating fragrances, work wonders in the heat of your dryer, reducing wrinkles, eliminating cling, and leaving your clothes smelling wonderfully clean. Choosing the right dryer sheets can significantly elevate the comfort and presentation of your wardrobe, making them a small but mighty addition to your household essentials. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fragrance-Free. Introducing a revolutionary way to do laundry. These sheets offer powerful cleaning without harsh chemicals, making them perfect for your family. Say goodbye to plastic jugs. Our liquidless detergent sheets are designed with the planet in mind, reducing waste and your carbon footprint. Don't let tough stains win. These sheets are formulated to break down dirt and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean after every wash. Experience a new level of comfort. They are hypoallergenic and fragrance-free, ensuring a gentle clean even for the most sensitive skin types. Laundry on the go has never been easier. Their compact, lightweight design makes them ideal for travel, camping, or small living spaces. Just toss a sheet into your wash. It dissolves completely, providing a powerful clean with ultimate convenience for any washing machine. What we like? This option is incredibly eco-friendly, ditching plastic jugs for dissolvable sheets. It's also fragrance-free, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin or who prefer unscented laundry. If you're looking for a sustainable and gentle laundry solution, this is the one for you. What people say. These detergent sheets are incredibly convenient to pack, fitting easily into luggage, backpacks, or travel organizers without the bulk or mess of liquid detergent. Clothes came out fresh, clean, and with a pleasant scent. It did not feel like I was sacrificing quality just for convenience. Small detergent sheets sure beats handling big heavy plastic jugs or cardboard containers, just a whole lot less hassle when doing wash. Number 4. Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, 6-pack. Tired of harsh chemicals in your laundry? Discover a natural way to soften your fabrics and reduce static cling. These wool dryer balls are the perfect eco-friendly solution. Say goodbye to wasteful dryer sheets. Our premium wool balls are designed to replace them entirely. They help separate your clothes, allowing for better airflow and faster drying times. Experience the difference of an award-winning product. Crafted from high-quality wool, these dryer balls are built to last through countless laundry cycles. Not only do they soften your clothes, but they also protect them. These gentle laundry balls are safe for all types of fabrics, keeping your garments looking their best. Make a sustainable choice for your home. These reusable wool balls are an environmentally conscious alternative to disposable dryer sheets, saving you money and reducing waste. Our extra-large size ensures maximum efficiency in your dryer. They effectively tackle large loads, reducing drying time and saving energy with every use. What we like? These dryer balls offer a natural way to soften your fabrics, eliminating the need for traditional dryer sheets. They are an award-winning choice for a reason, providing excellent results. If you want to reduce waste and chemical exposure in your laundry routine, these are a fantastic alternative. What people say. Significantly reduced the drying time of most of my clothes and items, while also effectively reducing static, comparable to the effect of a dryer sheet. The main benefits of these are their ability to reduce wrinkles while speeding the drying process. They truly do cut down on drying time, and I'm not having any static cling issues. Number 3. Ecoigy Wool Dryer Balls XL 6-pack. Introducing the Ecoigy Wool Dryer Balls XL, your natural solution for laundry day. This 6-pack is designed to make your clothes softer and reduce drying time. Crafted from 100% pure New Zealand wool, these balls are a premium choice for your home. They offer a gentle yet effective way to care for your fabrics. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. These dryer balls act as a natural fabric softener, leaving your laundry feeling fresh and clean without any artificial additives. Experience the benefits of reduced wrinkles and significantly shorter drying times. They help your clothes dry faster and come out smoother, saving you time and energy. Enhance your laundry with your favorite essential oils. Simply add a few drops to the wool balls for a naturally scented and softened load. Make the switch to a more sustainable option. These reusable dryer balls are the perfect alternative to traditional dryer sheets, benefiting both your laundry and the environment. What we like. Crafted from 100% pure New Zealand wool, these dryer balls are designed to be a sustainable alternative to dryer sheets. They actively work to reduce wrinkles and cut down on drying time. If you enjoy adding natural scents to your laundry with essential oils and are seeking an eco-conscious solution, these are an excellent choice. What people say. These dryer sheets are a game changer for my laundry routine. They leave clothes smelling fresh and static-free, even in humid weather. I love how soft these dryer sheets make my towels. They come out of the dryer feeling plush and cozy, and the scent is subtle but pleasant. The individual packaging of each dryer sheet is a brilliant design. It prevents them from sticking together and makes them easy to grab and use, one at a time. Number 2. Poesie Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover a cleaner, greener way to do laundry. Our innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the waste. Experience the invigorating fresh scent with every wash. These compact sheets pack a punch, tackling tough stains while leaving your clothes smelling amazing. Perfect for life on the go. Whether it's a dorm room, a camping trip, or a weekend getaway, these sheets are your ultimate travel companion for fresh clothes anywhere. Our hypoallergenic formula is gentle on sensitive skin, yet incredibly effective at removing dirt and grime. Enjoy a worry-free clean that's kind to you and the planet. Say goodbye to messy spills and plastic waste. These dissolvable sheets offer a convenient, mess-free laundry solution that's better for your home and the environment. Hand washing just got easier. Simply dissolve a sheet in water for a quick and effective way to freshen up delicate items or small loads, even when you're away from home. What we like. With a generous count of 160 sheets, this option provides long-lasting convenience. They are hypoallergenic and designed for easy use, making them ideal for travel, dorms, or camping. If you need a compact, effective, and long-lasting laundry solution for on-the-go or small spaces, consider this product. What people say. They dissolve without any problem, don't leave any weird residue, and get my clothes clean. They take up very little space, and I can throw a couple of sheets in a baggie when I travel and need to wash on the go. The quality of the clean itself is pretty great. It will give you the same quality clean as other big-name detergents, without fading the color of fabrics, in my experience. Number 1. Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, 3-pack. Introducing the Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, your natural solution for softer laundry. This award-winning product is designed to replace traditional dryer sheets. Experience the power of natural fabric softening with these premium wool balls. They are an eco-friendly alternative that works effectively in your dryer. Our XL-sized balls are made from premium wool, ensuring durability and effectiveness. They are designed to last through many laundry cycles. Say goodbye to chemical-laden dryer sheets. These wool balls provide a safe and effective way to soften your clothes without any artificial additives. Make a smart choice for your laundry and the environment. These wool dryer balls are a sustainable option that helps reduce waste and energy consumption. Enjoy laundry that feels incredibly soft and gentle on all your fabrics. They help reduce static cling and wrinkles, leaving your clothes fresh. What we like. These XL-size wool dryer balls are a reusable and natural fabric softener, offering a sustainable approach to laundry. They effectively replace disposable dryer sheets, reducing waste. If you're looking for a cost-effective and environmentally friendly way to achieve softer clothes and shorter drying times, these are a great option. What people say. Worked well to fluff the feathers in my down-filled pillows. No odors or issues. The dryer balls are exactly as depicted. They are incredibly useful for shortening drying time significantly. They are soft and have a solid weight to do their job. These work great, eliminate static in clothing without having to use dryer sheets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.